Hello everybody, so I'm going to show you what I bought today. Okay. So I'm going to do the last one. So I got this. So I'm going to show you what's inside. So I bought some glasses. Yeah. So I'm going to remove the tag. And I'm going to show you. I'm just going to cut it. Yeah, I got the scissors. There. No, I just need to go there. How is this going? Like this. There. And I'm gonna unfold it. Yeah, I really like these. I checked in. I really like this. It's pretty nice. Let me check in the mirror again. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Okay. Gotta put this. Oh. Okay. Yeah, I really liked it because it's that orange. It fit on my eyes. Yeah, really nice. Oh, come on. It looked cool, so I picked. That's why I picked it. Yeah, I never seen glasses that are orange. I never saw them all. Only have seen them black. I never saw any that's orange. So let's put in the case. Yeah, I got this case for free. Okay. Now I got this. I'll pop it. Yeah, sometimes there's really annoying sounds near my house. Okay. Yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. So I got this one in the packet. And I got the pea popper. I call it pea popper. What's this thing here? Okay, so I'm gonna cut the tag out. Wait. Look. Yeah, where's the face? Which one? This. Look at that face. It's so weird. Wait. Yeah, there's two more. One there. The middle one only has the face. And I can't reach it up. How do you... Yeah, it's right in there, this one. Okay. Yeah, sometimes these can break easily. But mine's not broken. Hey, boy. Okay, so we were gonna show this in the last because it would be longer. So, wow, Operation Buzz Lightyear. Okay, and my scissors. I'm just gonna open this first. Like this. Cut like this. And collect. One strike. Oh, it's already open now. Just one piece of tape. Okay. Nah. I don't need that. I don't need the instructions. Yeah, boy. I got this. Give me the instruction. Give instruction. How do you even put this? I really don't know where to put this. Right? Oh, it goes there. What's that? What is this? Here. What's that? What? What's for this thing? Look. Just need to slide it in. Fuck. I do not know how to slide it in. Let me slide it in first. Okay, got it. Now, we can do it. Oh, I forgot the pieces. Found them. Oh, come on. Got the first piece out easily. Now the second. Now the third. Now the fourth. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. I'm just gonna take them all out. They're just going inside. They're going inside different holes. How am I gonna get that now? I need to pull it out. Oh, got it. Okay, I'm just gonna do it here because if I do it on the plate, it'll just go everywhere inside different holes. So we don't want that to happen. So I'm just gonna do it on the table. Come on. What's this? What's this? Drums? I definitely think that's coins or drums. I don't know. Okay, so I got splatter bug in there. What's that? Oh, I think that's a purse. Where's the boot? In there. Hope this doesn't include battery. Yeah, I hope it already has the battery. Where does this go? I do not know where this disc go. What even is this one? What is it? I can't even find the hole for this one. So I'm just gonna do the different ones first. And then rhino here. And then what is it? Wait a second. Oh, there we go. A wrench in there. The thing in here. And this thing inside here. Nope, I haven't finished. This one there. I kind of can't see it, so I'm just gonna leave it. So now I got the boot with a hole, and your toe will be poking out of it inside here. Okay, now we did it. I do not know what to do with this. Okay, just leave it. how do I even open it? Hello, anyone to help? Oh, come on. Here, let me check the back first. Yeah, this definitely needs battery. Oh, come on.
Are you alright?
Yes. I do not know why that falling out. Any help?
You need help?
Yes. This tweezer won't come out.
What tweezer?
Yeah, and it needs battery. It needs battery. It needs battery.
What? Where? What size?
Under there.
It's here.
Yeah, maybe we could use this for the battery.
No.
No. At least I got the tweezers out. Oh, would I do that? I'm just gonna play with my puppet. Okay, I'm gonna show how to play with it. Wow.
There you go.
Yeah, I'm on the quiet side. Pop, pop it. Pop. Pop. Quick.
Yeah.
Quick. I'm just gonna eat my noodles now. Where's my chopsticks? Cute. Thanks. Yeah, I got noodles with chicken katsu for my noodles. Yum. Okay, I don't know where's the opening is. Under here or something. It's right here. Up to there. Up to here. Up to there. Just rip it, yeah? Okay. Now I can eat. Yes.
And here's your tissue.
Done. And then I'm gonna have my chicken plate. Finally. Okay. Now we can eat. Yeah, I'm gonna remove the jacket.
Get your chair.
Of course, I got two jackets. We have one.
There you go.
I got big ones.
Oh.
too.
Look, there's so many there.
Yeah, you can sort it out easily because look, it's right there. So I'm gonna put my chicken in here now. Yum. Yummy in my tummy. Yummy in my tummy. Yum in my tum. Okay, that's enough. Okay, I'm gonna put my pop in to a side. Okay, we'll sort it out now. Oh, come on, fit in. There. There. Where's the boot? Boot? Yeah, that's a boot. Wrong one. Wrong. That's a pistol, I think. Oh, come on. Stuck now. Where does this one go? Yeah, this one. This one goes in here. This one goes in here. This goes in here. And this goes in here. Yeah, that's a purse. Okay. Now let's play. Ooh. Tastes so good. I guess it's already on. Come on. So hard. Yes, got one out. Get it out. He got stuck into another body part. He got stuck into Robot Man. No, his spaceship thing. Yeah, I'm just gonna pick it out with my fingers into his. Yeah, I got it. Yeah, I think when the red light shows, it's hurting him. Oh, there's a shoe. I'm gonna eat a chicken. Come on. Got it. Okay, I got 2 right now. What? Yeah, I got loads of noodles. Where's my chopstick? Whoa. Got it. Should I reach it with my fingers? No, that's cheating. I definitely can flip it up. And it dropped back down. Come on. Yes, got it. Got 4. I'll reach for his boot. Come on. Plus, get out. Sir, get it. Oh, come on. Chicken catsu's time. It's like up to my throat. It's like I got money. Okay, got 5. Got another one. It looks like a boot to me, but this is the boot. Okay, got another one that's 6. No. Plus 6. Come on. Yep, 7. I'm pro now. Hey! Let go out. Let out. Let out. Oh, yes. Finally. There's 10 of these? I don't know. Whoever made this, is there 10? thingamajigs in his body. Yeah, this boot, it's very big. How do you even get this out? Yeah, level 10 is super hard. Yay. Oh, come on.
Why?
Let it out. Hey.
Is the light on?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Look.
Oh.
I think when the light goes on, he's
Your
getting... Yes! I did it! Yeah, he got hurt a little bit.
Mm.
That's why the light was going...
Yeah.
At least I let them go out, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
So I got all of them out. Yeah. Now. Hmm?
And where's your other toy?
What?
Mm.
I've already shown it. Yeah. I really like them puppets.
So Charlie's having the rainbow one.
Yeah. My friend Charlie loves these. He really wants one. So I'm giving it away to him in school. Yeah, I keep it in my bag and then we hide it together and then we just give it to each other. And then boom, na. He has to hide it because his mom says all they do is pop. No, it's a stress toy. If you're stressed, you use it. Yeah, I'm using the loud side, not quiet.
You finished?
Bye everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And see you in the next video.